So like there was like one bad experience, I would say. I was with my friend and I got followed by 2, 3 guy. Do carry a knife with you. I do carry a knife with me all the time.
Last time we looked at a student house tour in Toulouse, that is in France. So today we are meeting another person whose name is Isha, and she's going to show us around her house. So this is her house entrance. Now I'm going to go enter the house and show you around. So stay tuned.
Let's go.
Hi
Welcome to
Isha.
my apartment.
Thank you so much.
Okay, so this is the kitchen area. We have like a washing machine, a microwave, one oven, and the induction. So here, these are all the cutleries, like the glasses, the cups. We didn't have to bother much because we have got everything here: the plates, the boxes, and this is some masalas that we use to keep it. And these are just some storage areas like oil and all this stuff. We have plenty of factories out here. We have everything, the utensils. I
So
didn't.
did you get the pressure cooker?
Yeah, I just bought the pressure cooker. That's great. The rest, everything was already here, so I didn't bring anything except the pressure cooker. And yeah, it's another.
So all of the
Yeah,
utensils are provided by them, most of it.
yes. Most of it. It's just the pressure cooker that is mine. That's it.
That's interesting. So we have washing machine inside kitchen.
Oh my God!
Yeah, we have washing machine inside the kitchen.
Okay.
So yeah.
So now are we going to bedroom?
No, we have the
Okay,
drawing room. Yeah.
living room.
Yes.
The
So
salon.
this is the entire living room, which is pretty good, which is pretty luxury, I would say. We have a huge TV.
It is.
So yes, we have a rocking chair out there. Yeah.
Oh, we have a balcony as well.
Yes, we have a balcony. That's kind of my favorite spot, I would say. It has really good sunlight, really good air, everything. I do have my lunch and dinner here sometimes. It's very pretty. Yes.
Wow! Beautiful!
I think this can be a very good place when you have nothing else to do, like what we are doing right now, unemployed.
Yeah, true.
Yeah.
Yes, very true. You will not be bored here.
Yeah.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
This is the
Bathroom.
We
Okay.
have one bathroom. We share it among 3 of us.
Okay.
And this is my room. It's
So
cute.
cozy.
It's very cozy. It's very pretty. Yeah. All these are like already provided by the landlord, so I didn't have to bother about anything. Just bringing myself and just relaxing. That's it.
Perfect.
This is the closet. Pretty dirty, but yeah,
Not
I manage to keep all my stuff here.
Okay. This is pretty good for one person.
Yeah, it's
definitely.
pretty good. Yeah, it's pretty good. That's the extra towels and extra bed sheets and all these.
So all of this
Yeah.
is been provided by
Yes,
the landlord,
yes,
and you
everything.
did not have to bring anything
No.
for the
Or
bedroom.
even the towels are provided by the landlord. Yeah.
That's nice. And I see this is the electric heater.
Yeah.
Not
this
the
is
water
no,
heater.
This is the heater, the
And-
room
Got
heater.
it.
Yes.
So this is the room heater which we
yeah.
definitely require because there's going to be a lot of cold during the winters. Perfect. So this is her room. Thank you so much, Isha, for accepting to show us your house around. That's really helpful. So could you please tell me about yourself?
So my name is Shivangi Chakraborty and I'm from Kolkata, India. So I did my bachelor's from XIM University, Bhubaneswar, and then I took a 1-year drop. I give cat and all this stuff. So that's when I decided to complicate my life a bit more and then come to France without learning French. So yeah, here I am in TBS M1. Currently, I'm doing a MIM program for like 2 years. So yeah, that's it.
I got you, homie.
That makes two of us because we did not learn French either.
Yeah.
Now let's try to understand about this house. First of all, the house is very pleasant and very
Yeah.
cute and also
Yes.
calm. And I especially love this part where you can,
Yeah.
spend your summers, or
Yeah,
even
it's
in the
very
winters
pretty.
you
Yeah,
can go
yeah.
have your tea. So,
Mm-hmm.
big question, what is the cost of this entire house?
The cost is 615 per month.
Perfect. And
So
how
yeah,
did you find this?
I found it through Studapart. Like after searching for like almost 1.5 months, this was the like only apartment, which the landlord was like very good and he was responding it like properly. Everything he guided me through all the stuff and all. So that's when I decided, ki, yeah, I should go with this. I found this one like legit and really nice. So yeah, that's it.
And when did you started to look for houses?
I started, I guess, July. Yeah, mid of July, I started to
And
find.
September was your intake,
Yes,
September
yes,
first week.
September. Yeah, September. Yes, September 3rd, I came to France. Yeah.
And did you look any other website other than Studapart?
I only had no. Yeah, I did look for like university living, but they were like too far, and they only gave us studio apartments. So I didn't want studio much. So
And how about cruise? Did you explore that?
no, I did not explore that before. After I came here, I got to know about cruise, so I didn't have much option other than it. So.
Damn!
And what were the documents that were asked?
I think they just asked me for my visa, my passport, some financial documents like the bank statements. I have taken a loan, so the loan statement and all these things, and the guarantor, which I paid like around 250 euros for it. So I didn't really know about visa and all those. So I initially didn't want to have any problems, so I
Hmm.
went with the 250 euro one. So yeah, that's it. I guess not many documents. No, that's it.
That's it. Did they ask you the school admission
Oh
something?
yeah, sorry. They did ask me the school. I think they give some sort of enrollment form. I don't know what
Yeah,
is it called in
yeah.
French. So
The
I
offer
showed that.
letter
Yeah, yeah, the
should
offer
be
letter,
also
that
fine.
was enough, I guess. So I showed that, the enrollment letter, the offer letter, and yeah, that's it.
Okay, now coming to the interesting part. While coming from India to France, what did you carry with you? Like any particular stuffs that you carry? I saw a pressure cooker over there.
Yeah,
What other than that?
I think I did not carry much other than my clothes and my study, the laptop things and all, because the landlord did told me that you will get everything, the iron, the washing machine, the utensils that I already showed you there. So I think I only bought my pressure cooker and a little tiffin box with me to carry to my school for lunch. So that's it, I guess, and just my clothes and blazers and that's all this
Do
stuff.
you recommend any masala items that we should carry from there?
Yeah, I mean, if you are like masala, there are Indian stores, but it's like quite expensive. So you should bring your masalas.
Like what sort?
I brought haldi, jeera powder, dhania powder, madrasi masala, and sabji masala. Yes, and also garam masala. All these things.
How about electronics? Did you get any extra electronics other than your laptop or
No,
something that you bought from here and you regretted that, oh, I should have bought it from back in India?
no. I think we have a dryer in the washroom as well, so no electronic stuff needed presently. But most of the house doesn't have all these things. Most of the house doesn't even have like proper utensils.
Hmm.
So it's better to carry one utensil for safety, which I did not. So I don't know, but yeah,
You got
that's fine.
lucky.
Yeah, exactly.
Perfect. So
Yeah.
now let's talk about the cost of living. Since coming from India to France, or for any country for that matter, from if you're going from India, it is going to be expensive.
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
Yes. So let's explore what's your cost of living here monthly, Isha.
Okay, so I'll start with the rent. Rent is 615 per month. And for the transport, I pay around 15.5, which is the student discount, after student discount. And my phone is the free SIM, which is 8.99 per month. And the groceries, I would say 8 60 to 80, 60 to 80, it somehow exceeds also. So
80
80, yeah,
euros.
80 euros around per month, I would say. That's it. I also go to that 1 euro trip, like which is every Sunday, so I prefer going there. Like very cheap. It's near the all the southern areas, so I go there every month. Not every month, but yeah, almost every month.
You didn't have to cut me off.
So CAF, I get return of about like 103 per month, so which adds up to like 513 for my rent. So it is manageable. It is good. Like when you're receiving CAF, it's pretty good.
So you don't pay for the electricity in this house,
No,
right?
like
No Wi-Fi,
everything is
nothing.
included: Wi-Fi, electricity, hot water, cold water, everything. In even we have like a cleaning agent, which who comes like twice a month. Twice a month. Yeah.
So what do you suggest the student about the budget, monthly budget that they should have in their mind
Uh
if
like
they're coming to Toulouse,
okay.
similar to your situation?
I think monthly budget will be like around, including the rent, will be 1,000.
Okay, so could you tell us how has been your experience overall? I think you lived here for more than 4 months now,
Yeah, it's been like 7 or 8 months now.
7 or 8 months.
Yeah, yeah,
So
yes.
did you face any racism or some threat or anything, any such experience?
So like there was like one bad experience, I would say. I was with my friend and I got followed by three Afghanistan guys, I would say. So they were like pretty creep. They wanted us to have the numbers. They were like, I need your help. Do you want some help? And we were like, no, we don't want some help.
When did this happen?
This happened like around 2 months. Yeah,
Oh
around
my
in
god. Was it in the
December.
night?
No, it wasn't daylight. It was like around 3 or 4 in the evening. So
Where?
near the Jean Jaurès.
Okay, so
Yeah.
it was a crowded place. You were not alone
No,
there.
no, we were not alone. So the lane was like quite lonely, but yeah, we did like rush to the main areas, the busy part. So yes, that was just one bad experience, I would say. Yeah, that's it.
What
But
would you suggest any new student, maybe woman, like how should she be safe? Like any safety measures that you would
I would
suggest?
say not to travel alone if you don't know a particular area, because there are not all the areas are unsafe, but there are few areas which are genuinely unsafe, like pickpocketing, taking away your passport or something. So all these things are pretty dangerous. So do carry a knife with you. I do carry a knife with me all the time. So
I should be
yeah.
scared of you now.
No, yeah, I just don't take it out, but yeah, I
How
do
about pepper
carry it.
spray?
Yeah, that would also work.
Okay.
That would also work. I didn't have a pepper spray, so I took a
Knife in your
knife.
bag.
Yes, I take a knife in my bag. Yes.
That's it. So thank you so much, Isha, for sharing all these details. I hope this was useful. And if any questions, please do drop it in the comments, and I'll try to quickly answer them. If you have any particular question to Isha, I think she can also answer
Yes, I
that.
can. Yeah.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
If there are any other students who are living in other cities, what does your budget look like in France? Please drop it in the comment below.